It is my first time to celebrate Christmas here in the Philippines, and as part of my vacation, we went to hotel, and at this time we are here in Baguio. Together with Abby and the two Pokemons, we stayed for only a night here in John Hay Hotel in the Camp John Hay. At that time, it's already cold. We went here at around 9 in the evening, very late for the original schedule of 3 of the afternoon due to bus availability.
Mas maganda yung kulay sa yabe eh. Tignan mo, pulang-pula. Kala anak ka ng Korean. At ikaw anak ng Inchik.
Inchik.
Kahit saan pala, pwede pala makuha ng picture.
Favorite mo.
May siya sunflower. What's that? Heater. Sabi ko, tingin nga kayo. Okay. Pag ano.
Dede.
Ede. Wow, taray.
Ay, taray. Dito kami, kuya, banda.
Sige, dito naman ako. Dito ka. Oo.
Ano yung sinok?
We went down for a while to check some amenities and some views for tomorrow's breakfast.
Dito yan. Ayos natin yung ano mo sombrero.
Ipin yung Baguio.
Oo. Bango man eh.
And we are here also for 8 Jam and Kuya Randolph because they are staying here in Baguio.
Sakto lang, pero...
Kailan ba kayo uwi?
Sakto na, pero hindi worth sa pera.
Okay naman din.
Magkano ba per night ba? Sayang kung napunta niya yung Christmas village.
Oo nga eh. Late na rin naman kasi na gano. Per chance passenger na ganun din kami noon, nung alas 2 na yan.
Na-late ba yung flight mo?
In the morning, we see no fog, but only the beauty of the forest.
Ang labot ako, ayaw ko naman yung ayaw namin namin. Ay, may nagpapagis kayo.
Lagyan mo dito yung kamay mo sa bulsa. Ah. Oh, sa Tastin.
Say hi.
Paano kung pag...
We'll have to get past that roadblock.
Ayaw magsara ng ano. Kulang pa kayo. Ay, sorry. Akin na yung susi. Sa'yo.